So this is going to be just a short video to show everybody how to properly set up your home health bag. So these two outside pockets here, for lack of a better term, they're called the dirty pockets because you can go into those pockets without performing hand hygiene first. And in these pockets, on this pocket, we have hand sanitizer and also alcohol wipes that we can use to clean off your tablet. Over on this side, also in a dirty pocket, is liquid soap. Make sure that it's not expired. The home health surveyor will check. And then also in a little bag, something to wipe your hands with after you've cleaned your hands. So that's the dirty pockets. So after we talked about dirty pockets, these are the pockets that you'll find in the middle of your bag. On the outside of your bag, you should have some trash bags in here. It's important to remember that anytime we go into a pocket that is not one of the outside pockets, we always perform hand hygiene first, and then we can go into the bag, and then we always want to zip the bag back up afterwards. This middle pocket that we have right here is a one-time use pocket, meaning that anything that comes out of this cannot go back into the bag. We can have things in here like gloves, also any kind of wound care supplies, a skin integrity spray or wound wash, but remember, if it comes out of this pocket, it cannot go back in. So it either has to be left with the patient or discarded after use. In this pocket right here, we also have, this would be a reusable pocket, so all of your vital sign equipment. So for example, your stethoscope, your blood pressure cuff, that's what that is, your pulse ox, scissors also would be in this pocket. Anything that comes out of this pocket, we would remember that we're going to clean it before it goes back into the bag. And then in this outside pocket right here, we like to keep pads. So those reusable white pads, remember that you always want to keep your bag on top of a barrier, and you want to have barriers for your tablet, a clean side and a dirty side. And also alcohol wipe, which you'll use to clean your equipment before it goes back into there. Remember, we always clean our equipment with gloves on, and we make sure that it dries appropriately before we put it back in. And then that would be how to properly set up your bag.